Hi, it's Tanya from Life Working Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we are making a spatchcock chicken, but we are making that chicken in our air fryer. Now, I did record a video of me spatchcocking this chicken. You should see that up here, and go ahead and check that out if you want to know how I cut this chicken so it could lay flat. Now, I'm going to show you how I would season this for a quick weeknight meal when we are just feeling for some chicken. So, I've got here some avocado oil, and I'm going to add that as well as some chicken seasoning that I've basically already have combined, and I mix those together just so that it's easier for me to put it all over my chicken. Now, I like to coat my chicken in oil. You could, sans the oil if you want to, but I just feel like it does give it a better texture for that skin. All right, and I'm going to just basically rub this over my bird. Now, I'm not going to just only get the top of it. I'm going to get under that skin. So I'm going to peel that up just a little bit. And make sure I'm getting under the skin as well. Get my hand all up in there. And note that whenever I'm seasoning chicken, I always get like separate bowls to pour out the seasonings. Like even this dry rub here, I'm tossing that if I don't use all of it on this chicken, which I will end up using all of it. But yeah, don't be afraid to get under the skin, peel back that skin, especially when you're seasoning that breast, because breasts are pretty bland, so they need all the help they can get. And I'm gonna make sure to get this side too. Don't forget the back side. All right, so both sides of this chicken is seasoned now, and I'm gonna wash my hands before I go touching anything else in my kitchen. All right. So I've got here my air fryer basket. This is a 5.8 quart basket, and I'm going to go ahead and just place this chicken in there. Move this over just a little. This is a big old bird, but I'm going to snugly fit her in there. All right, and so now I've got my chicken to snugly fit inside the basket. I'm going to wash my hands again because I'm not touching that basket with these chicken hands. All right, so depending on the size of your bird, that's going to depend how long you cook your spatchcock chicken. So a smaller bird is going to take less time. Since this is a 4.5 pound bird, I am going to guesstimate that it's going to take me about 30 to 35 minutes to cook it. So I'm going to set my air fryer for 35 minutes, but I'm going to check on it around 30 minutes just to see if it's reached the correct temp. So you see, that's how this chicken looks in my basket. Sorry, and I'm cooking my chicken on 360 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be back in 35 minutes or 30. All right. All right, so my chicken has gone off. I checked it around 30 minutes and it needed a little bit more time. So I actually left it in for about 37 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull that bird. Make sure that doesn't fall. Be mighty careful. See how dark it is. Let me go ahead and check the temp. Yeah, went over. This is telling me that my chicken is now at 183 degrees. Which is fine with me. I'd rather overcook the chicken than undercook the chicken. And the good thing about air fryer chicken is that with that circulating fan, your chicken usually stays nice and juicy. So I'm going to do my best to try to get this chicken out and not break it. So grab it by these tongs. That was a really big bird. Big bird. All right, and there is my roasted chicken. I'm gonna let that rest before I cut into it too. All right, so that's how you make a whole spatchcock chicken in your air fryer Remember, you can make this in the oven, on the grill, however you want to cook your chicken, but it is a pretty quick and easy way to make a chicken. All right, till the next time. Bye. Want some chicken?